Today we're diving into the Gardener Supply Company T5 replacement bulb, a must-have for any serious indoor gardener. This 36-inch high-output fluorescent tube is engineered to simulate natural sunlight, making it an excellent choice for promoting healthy plant growth. With a color temperature of 6,400 Kelvin, it delivers full-spectrum light that closely resembles the sun's natural rays. This specific wavelength is crucial for plants, as it helps in photosynthesis and supports vigorous growth throughout the plant's life cycle point. One of the standout features of this bulb is its impressive longevity. It provides up to 10,000 hours of light, which means you won't need to replace it frequently. This durability, combined with its full-spectrum capabilities, makes it a cost-effective choice for both hobbyists and professional growers. Gardener Supply Company offers this bulb in 3 different sizes, allowing you to choose the best fit for your setup. Whether you're growing a few herbs on a windowsill or managing a larger indoor garden, this bulb promises to deliver consistent, high-quality light. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to enhance your plant growth, the Gardener Supply Company T5 replacement bulb is an excellent option. Its full-spectrum light and long lifespan make it a top choice for anyone serious about indoor gardening.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.